Hello and welcome guys. In this short video I wanted to show you the bike which should be made by the factory. But it wasn't. It's the Kawasaki W800 Scrambler. It wasn't made by the factory, it was made by the company which was called Spirit of the 70s. I don't think that this company exists anymore. Well, at least I can't find any website, working website or any Twitter or anything. If you know that this company exists, let me know in the comment section, I will provide the link to that. But for now, unfortunately, it looks like the company is dead. I hope it's not though, because the bike they made is absolutely gorgeous and I think that the Kawasaki should made one like that. Why? Because it's brilliant and I'm pretty sure that people would buy that bike. I mean it. You know, just look at that, it's gorgeous. And yes, it's a pity that there is no bike like that on the market. Well, there is a Triumph Scrambler, which is sort of too high, too tall, too expensive, and it's not in the spirit of the 70s. And we are all waiting for the Royal Enfield to build one. Or maybe it's me only waiting. Never mind that. I think it's a gorgeous bike, just look at that and enjoy. Thanks for watching, cheers!